Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to give you the explanation of chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory from class 8th. So, my dear students, at the very starting, I would like to tell you the meaning of the title. The title is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Beta, Bipin Chaudhary is a character. Lapse of memory means lapse meaning kind of mistake, kind of error, lost of memory, right? So it means that something took place in past, but Bipin Babu is not able to recall that thing. He has forgotten that thing. So my dear students, let us know about this character Bipin Chaudhary. Fine. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. It is the story related to a city named Ranchi. Somebody has told him that Mr. Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi, but he is not able to recall that, either he must have gone to Ranchi or not. He is not able to recollect that. He is not able to recall that. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. But on asking every time, he says that he had never been to Ranchi. When somebody asks that, have you ever been to Ranchi or not? So every time he forces that he had never been to Ranchi. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary, and there had been many instances that prove that he had been to Ranchi, but he doesn't get ready to understand it. So now let us know what is the suspense about the story. So here I start part 1. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. So, at the time of coming back, when he used to come back to home from office after working, so on every Monday he used to have a stay on a stationery shop at Kali Charan's, right? And it was in New Market, and he used to buy books from there. Crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. The books he liked, it was crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. And on every Monday, he at least bought five books. He used to buy, right? I repeat, on every Monday, as he stayed over there on a stationery shop, so he used to buy at least 5 books, and that lasted for at least a week, जो केवल एक सप्ताह तक चलती थी, right? He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and did not like spending time in ideal chat. So he used to live alone, and he was not interested in spending time with friends, and he was not talkative. He was very serious and fixed to his purpose only, and he had very few friends, and he always hated people who kept on talking, who were very much talkative. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters, right? You know, as he was standing at the shop, he observed, he felt that somebody from somewhere was observing him, and it was from close quarters, right? He turned round and round himself, looking at a round faced, meek looking man who now broke into a smile. So, as he turned around, found a person and with a round faced, looking very gentle, looking very humble, and he had a very little bit of smile on his face. I do not suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. So the stranger asked Bipin Babu that I do not feel, मुझे नहीं लगता कि शायद तुमने मुझे पहचान लिया हो. Now Bipin Babu asked, have we met before? क्या हम पहले कभी मिले हैं? The man looked greatly surprised. Having heard so, that stranger was surprised. We met every day for a whole week. So in reply, the stranger said that we used to meet for whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudro Falls. Now the stranger said that he even arranged a car for Bipin Babu for taking him to the Hudro Falls. Hudro Falls means it is a waterfall, right? So my dear students, that is enough for the day. Something we have studied from this chapter, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. I hope you must have understood something that I have taught you. Thank you very much.